Next step is to fit all of the cupboard doors, although this one will be a sliding door, so that's going to be a little bit trickier. So we're going to crack on with that. I'm going to reuse the cabinet doors that I had made for the previous setup on most of these apertures, except for the fridge and the little toilet down there. Those I will have to get to at another time. So we have those up there, over there, also on the inside of the cabinet over here, and then a hole over there. So quite a fair bit to do. I am now going to trim my upper bedroom cabinet door to size. This is one that I'm reusing. It's a little bit too deep, so I need to trim it. And then I do have a spot where I'm going to reuse that piece. So I've set this up to use the circular saw on it, and hopefully I will not screw this up. There you have it, my adjusted, trimmed cabinet door. So it is marginally shallower than before, and that was my first time, believe it or not, routing the channel for the T-slot trim, and I was able to reuse that, which is pretty cool. Now I just need to fix these hinges back down again and fit it into the van. So pretty happy with that. Right. Alright, now just to fit the catch. Bada bing! Excellent.
Yes.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stick around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy days.